Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, doesn't get any more simpler than this. A couple of pasture-raised eggs, nice piece of sourdough toast, some butter, and some black olives. Greetings, Mike Foster here. How you doing? Today it's another one of my simple fried egg recipes over toast. This one's over olive toast. I forgot one thing. I'm going to add a little olive oil too. Just watch how I put this baby together. It's going to be killer diller. Check it out. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to smash these olives, get these into kind of like a tapenade. Line my hands. And add a little olive oil. Olives, olive oil. Who could ask for anything more? I'm going to put some pepper in there. And I'm going to put just a little salt. Continue mashing these, then I'll get back to that egg. We got a medium pan. Let's put a medium amount of butter in there. Let's put one egg in right here. That looks nice. Another egg right here. Oh, he didn't break them. All right, that's medium again. Those are looking good. A little pepper. All right, see how these guys are doing. You can see probably another minute before we flip them. Oh, this one's ready for a flip. This one's ready for a flip. Let these finish up. We'll put this baby together. Shut it off. All right, toast is done. We're gonna butter it up. Just like this. Next, look at this beautiful black olive chopped. Could call it a tapenade if you want. Call it what you want. It's delicious. And this is going to be killer diller. And simple. Now we're going to take these two eggs. Put one right there. Guess what? Put the other one right there. Right there. Sweet baby. Let's cut into this. Get a close up. There's your close up. Now it's even better with the yolk. There it is. Simple, fast and easy. Let's see if it's delicious. Big bite coming up. All right, there's the finished product. There's the close-up, little pepper on top. You can see everything is getting ready for a big bite. All right, another close-up. Now it's time for the close-up bite. Here we go. It's a great taste. Toast is not too firm, not too soft. I don't know if that's what she said. Look at it to me. It got me on the back end. The yolk's hiding on the back end. I have to eat it. The egg's delicious. Very salty, but in a really tasty way. One more bite. I have to use two hands. That's doggone good. Wow, I ate the half. That's a big piece of toast. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. Tell people about it. Keep living life 365 every day. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Whip that baby around. I'm gonna go check the toast. The olive oil and olives, they grab me. They smell delicious. Keep chewing, Mike. Don't talk with your mouth full. It's disgusting. I'll mute myself. That's what happens on the outtakes, guys. All he can say is, He hit it. I keep forgetting to put the napkin over here. What's wrong with you, Mike? Are you stupid? Yes, he answered. Regretfully, very stupid. A lot of olives. Look at that. It's something to try. Spread the word, guys. A lot more people could enjoy this channel. I mean, I'm doing okay, but... Bye. That's it.